Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Figma to the Webflow by using the plugin page. You're going to go to the plugin page. You're going to press try it out, log in, continue with Google, log in with your account. Pick whatever work do you do. So I'm going to put student, I'll say for personal use. So then you're going to press try it out. Then it's going to open up a new tab for Figma to Webflow. Now this is the Figma to Webflow copy. So anything that you do into this will automatically transfer into your Webflow design. So that means you can transfer from anything that you've done towards Figma into the Webflow design. So you can share it with friends, you can share it with people so they can access it, and much more. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.